Right now. Hey, party with a purpose. We hear that a lot here in Vegas, and it's a really good thing this time around as well. End ovarian cancer is the goal. It's the annual Teal Fight Night being held at Elixir in Henderson. We have Crystal Royal. You've seen her on the Moore Show quite a bit. They do so much here in our community. And Dr. Jasmine Pedroso with more on info on the event and the importance of ovarian cancer research. Ladies, thank you so much for being here. How you doing?
Great.
Good.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Crystal, let me start with you. Again, you guys do so much. You were at the SOS Drive. You do so many community things here. First of all, give us the backstory of the ovarian cancer drive and why you guys decided to partner with them.
Like you said, we do a lot of community events, Remedies, Elixir, Distill.
Yeah.
We're throughout town, and so we've done the SOS Drive. Last year, we wanted to really get a fundraiser that not many people knew about. And as we know, cancer isn't always pink.
Right.
So we chose Teal. Teal stands for Early Action and Live.
Okay.
So it helps support ovarian cancer, and doctors here today to tell us a little more about that.
Yeah,
too, so.
and Doc, tell me about it, because again, cancer isn't always pink. We hear about breast cancer awareness all the time. Have we gotten better? What are the latest statistics, and what do you expect us to do in the years to come in terms of research?
So in terms of research, so this event is actually benefiting the Ovarian Cancer Research Fund, and like you were saying, ovarian cancer, you know, is something that we don't always talk about. Breast cancer, cervical cancer, we do those screenings, but unfortunately, ovarian cancer, we don't have a screening test.
We do not.
We do not. And so most of the time, ovarian cancer is actually diagnosed in its later stages, and that's about 80% of the time.
Oh, my goodness.
Only about 25% are actually diagnosed in the earlier stages, and because of that, about 22,000 will be diagnosed this year alone in the U.S., and about 14,000 women will actually die. 1 in 78 women will actually be affected by ovarian cancer in her lifetime, and so it's something that we should be aware of, because the survival rate when it's caught late is pretty devastating. Fortunately, there's good research out there. There's newer techniques, newer chemo methods, and things like that are improving survival. So definitely, it's not a death sentence at all. And the 5-year survival is actually significantly improved, but it's all about early detection, and that's why people have to be aware of the signs and symptoms and risk factors.
I tell you what, you just gave me goosebumps talking about, you know, the death rate. That's pretty scary, and I never noticed that we don't talk about ovarian cancer enough. Okay, real quick, Crystal, we got to wrap, but tell me about the event and how we can participate.
Okay, so the event is next Wednesday, September 30th. It goes from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. It will be a silent auction. We have items from throughout the community, helicopter rides, prizes. There are shows. Chippendales will also be there, which we're very excited about. So it's Teal Fight Night against ovarian cancer, and it's Wednesday, September 30th at Elixir, our sister location to Remedies and Distill, and that's at 2920 North Green Valley Parkway.
Ladies, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Keep us posted, okay? Let us know how things go. All right.
Thank you.
And Jonesy, folks are getting out and about.